Latest reports indicate that the 5th Scorpion-class submarine has suffered a damage of more than 10 crore rupees due to the recent collision with a fishing boat. The Russian Ministry of Defense has revealed the actual design of the Zircon hypersonic cruise missile during naval exercises in the Mediterranean. Hyderabad-based Redon Systems has released a video of its truck-mounted tube-launched loitering munitions. The US State Department has approved a foreign military sale to India for MH-60 equipment and follow-on support and related equipment for an estimated cost of $1.17 billion. Hindustan shipyard has awarded a contract to Norway-based Kongsberg Maritime for the supply of electric replenishment-at-sea equipment for Indian Navy's Fleet Support Ships program. The DRDO has developed a cutting-edge low-density ablative material tailored for missile systems that offers both an internal and external thermal protection solution. Noida-based Karman Drones has signed a 5-year strategic partnership with Troop Comforts Limited for co-development and manufacturing of unmanned aerial vehicles across various categories. Leading Indian private sector defense companies presented their products and weapon systems to the Saudi military in a special program organized by the Indian Embassy in Riyadh. Indian Army is utilizing in-house developed AI-enabled drone to detect and neutralize unexploded shells. The Indian Army has deployed advanced man-portable counter-drone system along the line of control with Pakistan. The Russian defense analyst has said that India's aspiration to solidify its position as a global power rests on acquiring cutting-edge defense technologies, with fifth-generation fighter jets playing a pivotal role. He also said that the Su-57E is the only fifth-generation fighter jet to have demonstrated its combat effectiveness against modern Western air defense systems such as the Patriot NASAMS and IRIS-T in Ukraine. Collaboration on the Su-57E would not only facilitate serial production for Indian Air Force, but will also establish India as an export hub for advanced fighter jets. An Indian Air Force official has revealed that the Air Force is planning to procure 9 squadrons of the Ghatak unmanned combat aerial vehicle. The Aeronautical Development Establishment and DRDO have already started the fabrication of the 13-ton stealth UCAV prototype, and its rollout is on track for early 2028. The Defense Acquisition Council has granted acceptance of necessity to 5 projects worth 21,772 crore rupees. That includes 31 new water jet fast attack craft and 120 fast interceptor craft for the Indian Navy, electronic warfare suite comprising indigenous advanced self-protection jammer pods and next-generation radar warning receivers for Su-30, 6 Droof maritime helicopters for Indian Coast Guard, overhaul of T-72 T-90 and BMP-2 vehicles, and overhaul of engines of Su-30. Today's top 3 comments.
Omar dropped it.